One more time. Hello, lovely ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Night's Choice channel. My name is B, and today we're gonna talk about pain in the office and natural remedies for that pain. Now, let's start with what is pain. Pain is physical manifestation of your body speaking to you. You shouldn't ignore it. You should listen to what your body has to say. Oh, what a smell about this. Because the body always tells us what's wrong with it and what it needs. Pain is totally natural thing that can happen to you. And there are a variety of reasons why you can feel pain. We are humans, we are beings that feel and sense things around us. So, in that order of ideas, pain is totally natural for us. Now, in office, types of pain that you can feel are usually connected to, for example, stress. At this moment, I'm a little bit stressed. This is my first video going live, and I actually do not know how my first live video will be. So, I understand that people feel stressed about the things they do and they are stressed on work. But that is one of the things that can cause you to feel pain. For example, you can have headaches, or you can be so nervous that your muscles contract. And that is actually very important to mention that here in the upper part of your back there are muscles that when you are stressed out they contract, and you can actually feel stress here in shoulders. Basically those muscles are contracted and they cannot move. So actually one of the things how you can relax is to listen to the music. I like to listen music often, and that is something that helps me de-stress. I don't know if you can hear music in the background. No worries, it's copyright free music, so I can play it on the YouTube. So how can you alleviate stress? One of the common things, except of listening to music, is deep breathing. When you do those things actually help a lot for you to de-stress. And also you can use tea made of certain plants. For example, you can use tea made of mint or thyme or chamomile. Chamomile is excellent for calming you down. But don't drink too much chamomile in the work place, because if you get too much de-stressed, basically you will have a situation where you'll be sleepy. Also, lavender and valerian are very good to treat stress. Lavender, just scent of lavender is calming for those people who don't mind that scent. Now, this smells nice. I can put a little bit more here. This one. So, what else can we feel in the office that can cause pain to us? Well, one of the common things that happens in the office, not so much when you are working from home, of course, is that you tend to be surrounded with people, and all sorts of respiratory diseases are available for you to pick up if you do not have very good immune system at that moment. So one of the first things that can happen is your sinuses to feel painful, for you to feel pressure in the sinuses. And one of the best things that you can do for sinuses is to use garlic, for example. It is great for reducing inflammation in that area. Also, hinacea, or how it's called, coneflower, is very good. Curcuma longa or turmeric, if you use it in cuisine, it helps against infections. So it's very nice to use curcuma longa for making food, of course. Now, what I love to use, I love the smell of it. It's ginger. Maybe you have recognized it from the beginning. Oh, ginger. It has so many uses, but I'll make separate video for ginger, of course. Now, for now, I'll just enjoy ginger. So, what else? Horseradish. But for me, it's too strong. Smell of it is too strong. I start crying when I use horseradish, so I don't like it too much. But if you like it, it's one of the best things. Hello, little rabbit. How are you today? He likes to be petted. Okay, so what else can we feel in the office when we are sitting and working? Eye strain for prolonged looking at TVs or some kind of monitors. That's usually a problem. So what can you do? Take 2 fingers and apply gentle pressure to your eyes, and after a couple of seconds you'll feel much better. Whoa. Now the getting back to light is a little bit tricky after that, but that helps. And for the strained eyes, it is good, for example, every hour, if you can, to separate 5 minutes, to make a break, just stand up and get outside, or just come to the window and look through the window outside for your eyes to have a chance to relax. Basically, when you're looking at a monitor, you're looking at a static distance object, and your eyes are constantly looking at a certain distance. This is not something that is natural for us. That is not something that is natural for humans at all. So you need to give your eyes a chance to look something that is close by, that is far away, then again something that is closer, then to zoom in to something that's very, very far. And those things, especially if you look at the sky, if you look at the clouds, or if you look at trees, those things calm down yourself as well. So I would advise every hour to separate 5 minutes to do that. Now, I'm guilty as well. I don't do it that often. I remember to do it every 2 hours or 3 hours. Then I take a 10-minute break to look somewhere else, not in the monitor. Okay, so what else can we feel in the office as a pain? Well, sitting usually produces pain if you're not sitting correctly. Now, sitting correctly means that you need to sit open. You need to stretch out a little bit your arms and try to open hands like this. This way you open yourself and then allow energy to flow through your body. Now I know I sound like people who are doing meditation and those kind of stuff, but actually try it. I don't know, I cannot explain, but it just works when you do like this. Then if you stretch a little bit, most of you already do this in the office. There is one more thing this is one of the things that is very nice to do. It is for actually back pain, upper back pain. If you feel back pain, what you can do, you can just push your arms like this as much as you can, and then go with your chin all the way down to your, how it's called, chest. Oh yeah, couple minutes of stretching, nothing better than that. So, what else? You could feel pain in your legs. So, correct posture for your legs is to be sitting like this, and legs should be around 90 degrees angle or a bit bigger angle. I usually put my legs to be like this, like V-shaped, and this is causing strain on my knees. Basically, you should keep your legs like this. But if you feel pain in the knees, you can lift your leg and just do like this. This will relax your legs. Doing this minute or two or even less, it will cause so much joy for you. Now, so we have most parts of the pain that you can feel in the office. Now, if you are working home office, there are all sorts of exercises that you can make. But if you are working in the office, you cannot lie down on the ground and do those kind of exercises, or you cannot jump around in the office. People will look strange at you, right? There's one more thing that I would say that you can do. Okay. This is not a good position. Maybe like this. So, when you stand like this, stretch your legs a little bit, and just try to make a triangle. To get with one arm here and another one stretch and try to reach to the sky or to the ceiling. This stretches your lower back. And with this, I believe we have covered everything that you can feel in the office, except migraines. Now with migraines, they are a little bit difficult. Basically, you need to warm upper part and the lower part of the head. So, with this said, we have finished the first part of the video. Going to the second part of the video, we are preparing New Year's celebration for the first year on YouTube. So, let me check to see how many people have signed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people have signed to get mystery gift from Nice Choice. So, there is something inside. For first year on YouTube, you're getting a mug. It's small. It's something more like a thank you for being here with us and supporting this channel. I really appreciate this. This was it for today. I wish you all wonderful holidays. And remember, try to live healthy lives and correct your posture a little bit. Sit straight. Posture is a significant percentage of our health. In the healthy body, there is healthy mind. Remember that. Bye.